Babies get hiccups more often than adults, and the reason is simple: their diaphragm, that muscle that helps us breathe, is still developing. Even tiny changes, like swallowing too much air while feeding, or a sudden temperature shift, can set off those rhythmic hiccups. The good news? They don't usually bother your baby at all, even if they sound dramatic to us parents. To help, try feeding your baby slowly, burping them often, and keeping them upright after meals. And here's a fun fact: babies even hiccup inside the womb. Sometimes you can feel it during pregnancy. So next time your baby hiccups, don't stress, it's part of growing up. For more baby tips and answers to your midnight questions, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell here on Little Secrets.